Well, today Kelly's back. She's back again with a small business that will be huge, like really, really big. And it's perfect timing to introduce you to this one because it is Earth Day.
Oh.
I think this one's gonna be huge.
Wow.
You guys, I really do. Okay, so let's get right to it. There's a business called Clards. It's a product called Clards. It was started by Carla Schultz. It was, she created a company called Soak It Up years ago. But the standout product beyond her Swedish dishcloths, and she's got an eco-friendly detergent, are Clards, which is cloth cards. They are cards made out of that Swedish dishcloth material.
I'm so intrigued by
Yes.
I just think this is so great. It's reusable, it's compostable. So what it is, you get the Clard in the mail, okay? Well, you can send a Clard, so you can write on the Clard on the inside. It looks just like a card. It's like a card size.
Yeah.
But then when you receive it, you can also use it as a dishcloth, as you see here. You just dunk it in water, and it becomes two handy cleaning cloths. So there's a perforated center, and they just pull apart, and it becomes two dishcloths.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't this so fun? So you can write on them, send them in the mail, bring them for a housewarming gift. One Clard can do the work of 1,500 to 3,000 paper towels, depending on how much you use them. Like if you're really hard on them, they're not gonna last as long, but they're gonna last you a long time.
So you got a message being written right here by Miss Elizabeth
Thank
Reese.
you for being amazing, Kelly. Love, Elizabeth. Okay, I'm gonna use this at home.
Okay.
But the question though is, does the greeting wash off? Here's what she had to say.
I have found that a permanent gel pen works best if you write something really nice. If you write something that's not as nice, then just use a regular pen and it'll wash off.
Because some things aren't so nice, right? A greeting can be anything you want it to be. So she thought this was going to be really easy. It proved to be pretty tricky to get all this figured out, but she's got a patent. She has a registered trademark for Clards, is slowly chipping away on doing all the right things to make this business a business. Again, it's Soak It Up, but Clards is the product we're featuring. She wants it in stores like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Starbucks. Can't you see this in those stores?
I can see it.
So the imagery in the message on the outside, that's permanent.
Right.
But what you write on the inside can wash off.
It can wash off eventually, but I don't think this one will wash off.
No, it's a Sharpie.
I mean, you could scrub it.
And then you just get to use it. So it's, I was saying it's sort of like that idea of those plantable cards, but it's kind of another level of that.
Right, exactly. So she's got family that helps her pack and ship, but it's just Carla. Her 97-year-old mom, though, sometimes folds cards, so that's a whole group of people help her out. But I told her that I think these are the thing. Listen what I say. I think these are going to be big. I really do.
Then you're the one I can say, Kelly knew me when. She's the one.
That's it. Kelly, listen, I'll look back at this and say, I interviewed her. She was 2 years old, and now look at her. You're going to be everywhere. I can just feel it. I mean, these feel like they should be everywhere. I don't understand. I know it's a lot of work, and here I am just asking the questions. But I want that for you because I think they're so great.
Thank you. And you'll end up with a lifetime supply of Clards.
I'll expect one for every one of my birthdays.
You heard that right there.
From
so
you.
The Clards are $10 each. You can shop online at clards.com or soakitup.com, either location. You can also shop for them at Rose and Loon at Rosedale Center. And she is hoping to do custom greeting cards, meaning like save the dates. You could print your family's, you could print your family Christmas card on that. It kind of becomes like a gift, right? Or housewarming, a picture of the new home with a little gift basket.
She does a really nice job explaining how to do it, though. Like, it says blank inside, right on, permanent gel plan works best.
Don't throw these away.
Right, like all of
Use
these
them.
things to show you, because that's the education is going to be the key. Kelly, this is really cool.
Yeah, very good idea. This could be one of those, like, I'm with you. It could be one of those, like, why didn't I think of that?
I know.
I
just see this like in Whole Foods, Trader. I see it. I see it.
In celebration of Earth Month, Soak It Up is hosting a Get Your Green On giveaway. You can enter to win a set of their eco-friendly Clards by visiting their website.
It's just kind of fun to
I know,
say.
it is fun.
Yeah, so plus because it's Earth Month, you can save 40% with the code TCL Live, or TC Live. That discount just for Twin Cities Live viewers is good through the end of the month. You can find a link to enter that giveaway and to shop at twincitieslive.com. You guys, we're going to be right back. Clards.
Clards.
Get to know it.